Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop Academy English. Today we will learn verb collocations. Verb collocations are the combination of verbs with specific words. For example, here the verb is have. It always go with these specific words. For example, you'll say have a drink, have a bath, have a good time, have a rest, have lunch. Another verb we have here is take. Take a break, take a look, take an exam, take a seat, take a chance. These are the commonly used verb collocations. Do your homework, do nothing, do the cooking, do the dishes, do your hair. Make a decision, make a mess, make an effort, make the bed, make money. Go home, go bankrupt, go crazy, go shopping, go abroad. Come to a decision, come to an end, come close, come early, come last. Get pregnant, get lost, get ready, get started, get a job. Let me know, let me think, let me help you, let me go, let me see. Keep in touch, keep a secret, keep the change, keep quiet, keep in mind. These were the verb collocations, meaning the verb that goes with certain words always. Can you make sentences using these verb collocations? I can show these verb collocations to you again. Bye bye.